Hello, Columbus, Ohio. We just had our kickoff event for the Columbus, Ohio Azure meetup, Azure CBus, where we had 28 wonderful Azure fanatics show up to hear Drake Lundstrom talk about how not to do a cloud migration. It was definitely a good time. There was plenty of pizza to go around thanks to our wonderful sponsors there at Presidio. And in case you did miss Drake's wonderful talk, go check out the recording on LinkedIn. We have an action-packed couple of months ahead of us here in the Azure and cloud community of Columbus, Ohio. On February 7th, the kickoff event for the HashiCorp user group of Columbus, Ohio will be happening again at Presidio, where yours truly will be talking about policy as code using Azure Policy and Terraform. Although we will be using Azure technologies, the principles that I'll discuss in this talk are broadly applicable no matter what cloud platform you choose. The February meetup for Azure CBus will be on February 28th, a little late in the month, this time at Improving. So across town at Easton, which might be more convenient or less convenient depending on where you're coming from. But thanks to the folks at Improving for hosting us there. And again, I'll be speaking on staging and intervention, 12 steps to a DevOps recovery, transitioning from ARM and Bicep to Terraform. So if you're new to infrastructure as code, or you're not getting out of it exactly what you thought you might be getting out of it, this would be a good talk for you because we're going to be talking through some of the mechanics of Terraform versus ARM and Bicep and the advantages that Terraform has to truly develop infrastructure as code and manage your cloud infrastructure by applying software development practices. Now here's what I'm really excited about. I teased at this in my last update video, but we actually made it happen. My counterpart over at the AWS meetup, Angelo, and I have worked out our differences, and we've found a way to come together as a multi-cloud community here in Columbus, Ohio, to bring AWS, Azure, and the HashiCorp user group together all under one roof. Should be an exciting time to listen to Jim Kittle, a senior enterprise architect from the Ohio State University. This is the first ever multi-cloud mashup meetup here in Columbus, Ohio that I'm aware of. And I'm especially excited about it because the reality is most enterprises have at least 2 clouds within their enterprise landscape. And so navigating the unique complexities of this kind of situation, I think poses interesting and unique challenges that should be addressed. And it's hard to do that in a single cloud or a mono cloud environment. So hopefully you guys enjoy this multi-cloud mashup and maybe we'll be able to have a few more of them in the future. Anyways, I hope to see you all soon at the Azure and HashiCorp user group meetups and at the multi-cloud mashup coming in March. See you soon. This is the Azure Terraformer signing off.